friends, welcome back to the homestead. So we are back in the kitchen. It is sunny out here today, but we have some things to do with some beautiful peaches that came from one of the local orchards here in our area. And so the plan today is I'm going to show you how I preserve these for the winter and or just for taking care of at a later time in my schedule when things are a little bit freer. Right now, this is in the high heat point of the day, so I am not out in the garden, but obviously I have other things that I am going to be bringing in from the garden later this evening, so we need to get these guys taken care of so that we can just have a little bit of counter space, if you know what I mean. So let's go on ahead and get this video started. I will show you all of the steps to how I am going to preserve these guys in our freezer for multiple different uses, and I will explain those as the video goes on. Let's go on ahead and get the video started. guys, so that is literally all there is to it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you would like to see some other ways that I preserve peaches, go on ahead and check out this video that I'm going to link down here at the end. It involves peach preserves, and they are pretty darn delicious, and I hope you give the recipe a try. Guys, as always, keep it simple, natural, and essential. We will see you on the next video. And don't forget, we still have our freebie guide available for you for the 5 steps to small space homesteading. So if you are interested in jump starting your homestead, go on ahead and get that freebie today. I'll put the link down below. We'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye.